Chocolate pancakes recipe. I just don't want to know if they are. Little buddy would most likely say the same since he's the one that requests them time and again. That and his chocolate chip waffles. He'd eat them every day if I let him. Which I don't, but you know what I mean. Anyway, it sure is a good thing they are so simple to make. Serve them with a bit of delicious maple syrup and you are good to go. Of course, serving them with fresh fruit, a dollop of whipped cream and some chocolate syrup wouldn't be a bad idea either. Whatever floats your boat. Here's my chocolate pancakes recipe. If you're a chocolate lover, you might as well start the day off right. Prep time 10 minutes. Cook time 20 minutes. Total time 30 minutes. Chocolate pancakes make the perfect chocolate lover's breakfast. Get this delicious, quick fix chocolate pancake recipe for perfect mornings. Author, Robin Stone, add a pinch. Serves, 4-6. Ingredients. 1 cup flour, self-rising. 2 tablespoons sugar. 1/4 teaspoon salt. 2 tablespoons unsweetened cocoa powder. 1 cup buttermilk. 1 egg. 2 tablespoons butter, melted. 1 teaspoon vanilla. Instructions. Combine dry ingredients, flour, sugar, salt, cocoa powder, and gently whisk through to mix. Mix together buttermilk, egg, butter, and vanilla. Gently combine wet ingredients into the dry ingredients. Do not overmix. Heat griddle over medium heat. Drop 1/4 cup scoops of batter onto griddle. Flip once. Top with a touch of butter while still piping hot. Serve hot with your favorite maple or pancake syrup or top with a bit of whipped cream and fresh berries. Thanks for watching.